Hey guys, I will show you all how to get a free PayPal Money gift card that will give you $750 into your account. I have done this myself and it has worked perfectly. It's not a scam like those other fake money videos. This actually works and is super simple to set up, and basically I will show you how to get a working code with this new method not many know about. Let me show you guys how to get it now. To start, grab your mobile device. I recommend doing this on mobile because it's easier, but you can use a PC as well. Now head over to this website, rizdeal.com. This site provides free codes, coupons, and discounts for games, software, and more. It really works. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to type in PayPal Money. You'll see the option pop up. Just tap on it and it'll take you to a page where you can claim your code. Now click the Show Coupon button. The site will display part of the code, but to unlock the full code, you'll need to click on the Unlock Code button. When you click that, it'll begin loading. That we need to do is complete 2 free offers from this page, and once we do 2, the code will fully reveal and you just take it and redeem it. But guys, it's very important you do this last step correctly, otherwise it will not work. So I will do it now. Some of the offers are really easy, like for example this Travel Town one wants us to download the game and play until level 6. I highly recommend you guys do Travel Town and Dice Streams. They're the easiest and super fun. As you can see, this is the Dice Streams one. So just do these two. They're the easiest, like I said, and the funnest. I even had so much fun playing the games that I still play them even after finishing. Also, I know it says do 3 offers, but it will still work if you only do 2. I tested it and it works if you do just 2, but do the Travel Town and Dice Streams. They're the easiest. But also the games or apps you see might be different than the ones I have. This is completely normal because it can be different depending on your location. But I'm going to do the Travel Town and Dice Streams ones right now, and I'll be back and show you guys proof that I got my code. But if you don't have Dice Streams or Travel Town and only have one or none, then don't worry, just do whatever ones you see on the list. Okay guys, so once you do 2 tasks, it redirects you back to the site and it shows this pop-up saying 3 offers successfully completed and reveals the full code to you. So as you can see, it works, and that is great. So guys, it does work, and you will be able to do this as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.